Hey y'all, coming to you from the international headquarters, ScottieDTV, but I was out of Steve Holcomb Pro Auto Custom Interiors just as they were finishing up this 1955 Chevrolet I think y'all are gonna like. Let me get the camera turned around, we'll take a quick look at it. Steve, got another Tri-5.
Got another one done.
Yeah, look at that. How many more you got?
We're stacked up with them.
I know.
Get calls all the time wanting more of them done, so.
I don't know, I really dig this one though.
It is cool. I like the colors on it, the two-tone silver and gray with that charcoal gray interior with the silver stitch and LED lights and all that stuff. Looks really cool.
It's got a great stance, reasonable wheel choice. You know, like I tell people, no one wheel will please everybody, but
right.
I think that works well on it. I agree, the two-tone gray works good on it too. Now, yeah, I think that I think the color combo, I think the stance, I think the wheel choice, I think it all works great. And then y'all hooked it up with a very cool custom interior. One of my favorites, actually.
Well, thank you.
Tell me what y'all did.
Well, Mark Castaldi, he brought the car to us, and Jeff Wolfenberger built it for him, and he just wanted a really super cool interior. He was from New York, and then he moved over to North Carolina. So, yeah, it's a cool car. You know, of course, we did the bucket seats, the 3D door panels with the LED lights in them, and matched the trunk and everything to do the same. Rebuilt all the back seat area, and of course, it's got the one-piece custom headliner in it with the leather and aluminum spears and LED lights in the top of that and in the console, so it all brightens up when you get in.
This was one that you brought in. It was pretty much empty on the inside.
Yeah, yeah.
And you made everything. What's the dash in it?
It's an original dash with I think it's got custom gauges and stuff in it, but I'm not sure what the gauges are. But it's really cool car. We've had the car for a while, and of course the builder said, "Take your time." Don't say take your time.
Right.
But I mean, good things come to those who wait. So I mean, it is a sharp car. I'm glad to do it, and it looks really sharp.
Yeah, no, it would be hard for me to come out and pick my favorite Pro Auto interior, and it probably would be one that was in my car, right?
There you go.
Yeah, I got to do that. But when I came out and looked in this one, it was like, man, I just really dig it. I think that the color, again, you guys nailed the color to work with the body color, the style of it. It's got a little bit of a street machine, a little bit of attitude to it, but it's not overdone, you know, to make it something that wouldn't fit in a Tri-5.
Right.
And of course, you know, beautiful headliner, and the trunk matches the
right,
passenger compartment and all. And no, I think y'all really nailed it.
Of course, we put the updated stereo in it with the touch screen, and late model. You can Bluetooth to it, and when you get in a car and you want to drive it, you want to be comfortable, and you want to have something you can tune your radio in or your cell phone into your radio and listen to all your music and stuff. So it's built to where he can drive it and enjoy it.
Right on. Air conditioned, power windows,
all
that stuff.
Everything.
Right,
it's got everything you can want on it.
No, again, very cool car, brother.
All right, Scotty, I appreciate it.
So there you go, from Steve Holcomb Pro Auto Custom Interiors, a very nice 1955 Chevrolet. Hope y'all have enjoyed it. See ya! Hey y'all, make sure you subscribe to this channel and visit ScottieDTV.com for an easy way to search the hundreds of videos I have posted. Either click the link in the description or the one at the end of this video.